On this segment, we're joined by Bill Downs. And Bill, thank you for taking a second to be with us. We're talking about something very dear to your heart, but also something very important to human health. Tell us who you are and what your background is.
Okay, thanks, Art. I am Bill Downs. I'm the founder and chief executive officer of Victory Nutrition International, but that's a business title. My function is a nutritional biochemist. I've been researching nutrition for over 35 years. I have over 93 papers published in the peer-reviewed scientific literature. I have chapters in books, textbooks for clinicians on different topics of health, and my passion is enabling and empowering people to improve the quality of their life.
Well, there's a lot that goes into health. A lot of people have done a lot of research. You have come up with some practical uses of that research. You know, people can read books all day long, but then it has to be converted into something that's usable. Tell us about what you have here.
Well, I appreciate that. The number one health malady in our culture is digestive problems. And digestive problems are the number one reason for emergency room visits after accidents, the number one reason for doctor visits, the number one reason for the most purchased over-the-counter medications, and the number one reason for the most prescription drugs if you discount, things like Cialis and Viagra. Digestive problems are a pandemic. Every major chronic degenerative disease is underpinned with digestive problems. So our objective was to get nutrition into the blood. We know from Leviticus 17:11, the life of the flesh is in the blood. And if your body's not healthy or you can't perform the way you want, then your blood is not healthy and should be a lot healthier. So our objective is to get nutrition into the blood as quickly, efficiently, and in a synchronized manner, and enable the blood to do what God designed it to do.
And with that in mind, we all know that you can have as many high doses of anything. If it's not being absorbed, it's worthless. And that's what this is about.
That's correct. The most expensive supplement is the one that doesn't work because it can't get in. It can't get in. And with digestive maladies, we have some real problems.
So tell us about the products that you have as quickly as you can, because what we're talking about is you hold meetings at different locations throughout the year where people can come and learn in detail about this, because a lot of people may have questions that for their own health, they want the answers, and you're happy to give them, just that we're pressed for time here.
Right. Well, the overarching objective of all of our products, we have 4 of them, was to mimic the way the body works, to mimic biological fluid and cell membrane properties. And the way we did that was creating structured water, and then we took phospholipids from plant oils. All your cell walls are made of phospholipids. The cell membranes are phospholipids. And we impregnate and saturate those with free ions, and it gives them a negative ionic charge, which is just like red blood cells or rainwater. And then we mechanically pre-digest all the ingredients in the formula, and we infuse those into this dynamic vortex. You have 1.5 gallons of blood going through 60,000 miles of blood vessels, and when you're healthy, and only when you're healthy, it makes one complete revolution every 20 to 60 seconds. So this dynamic velocity is doing about 20,000 RPMs, and these phospholipids form capsules, or what is called liposomes, but they're energetically enhanced around the ingredients, and we get clusters of these liposomes within a liposome, up to hundreds of concentric layers, just like a cell structure is. So when you take, this product is Protovite, and it's a liquid supplement. When you take 1 ounce of this product, put it in your mouth and swish it around for 30 seconds, and then swallow, we're getting a dramatic, synchronized, simultaneous impact in the blood that gives the body unprecedented abilities to do things that it has never been able to do before, because we're making the blood healthier. And that's Protovite.
So that's Protovite. Now, what do you drink, a cap full of that, or how do you?
We got to feed the need.
Some people are more desperate.
If you have a campfire, a bucket of water puts it out. If you have a house fire, you may need a bit more than a bucket of water. So, and the body has to, metabolism is making energy, managing energy, and eliminating waste. And most people aren't accustomed to the waste elimination unless they go on some aggressive purging program. This restores the cell's ability for metabolism, make energy, manage energy, and get rid of waste.
And has to do with oxygen in the blood too.
Absolutely. The number one objective is to restore the ability to use oxygen and water as cells do their genetic jobs to make energy, manage energy, and get rid of waste.
Now, what is this product?
This product is Brain Reward. We have 37 published clinical studies in the peer-reviewed scientific literature showing that brain reward rebalances the brain chemistry, especially in people who have a genetic predisposition to have excessive reward-seeking thoughts and behaviors. And I don't want to give disease conditions. None of these products diagnose, treat, cure, prevent medical disorders or any diseases. We're simply nourishing the body's ability to do what God designed it to do in the first place. And brain reward helps to reduce cravings. It reduces stress or improves stress tolerance. It improves cognition, concentration, aspects of memory. It reduces cravings, it improves metabolism, and it increases the ability for the brain to use oxygen. The #1 cause of dementia is a buildup of hydrogen peroxide in the brain. And there's research supporting that in PubMed. And this helps to restore the ability to effectively use oxygen in the brain and optimize the gene expression for the brain reward circuitry from serotonin down to dopamine. And it's a wonderful product that helps you to be happier.
Okay. What do we get? 2 others?
Yes. This is Thione Extra. Thione Extra is probably the ultimate antioxidant and immune support product. It improves nitric oxide in the blood, and there's no arginine in it, so nobody with any herpetic issues has to worry about that. But it improves oxygenation, it improves immune system recognition and response. One of the ingredients in here was identified as having a remarkable ability to improve the quantity of dendritic cells, which are the immune cells that identify the bad guys and take them to the white cells and say, here, destroy this. A 10-fold increase in immune cells in 9 days was really pretty amazing. So antioxidant, immune function, oxygen utilization. And the last product is called Enzorb. And Enzorb is a very unique enzyme. Most digestive enzymes work in a pH of 2 to 5.5, which is the digestive, the environment of the stomach. The Enzorb enzymes are engineered to be activated in a pH of 6.5 to 8.5, which is the pH in the tissues of the body. The digestive tract is essentially an external organ on the inside of your body because it's open at both ends. So it has to convert not you into you. That's why 70 to 80% of your immune system tissue is in your digestive tract. These enzymes do feed the digestive tract through the blood. Again, all the products are protozoan. That's the name of this advanced absorption technology. So it gets into the blood, and this comes in little packets, and you can just put it in your mouth at night before you go to bed and squeeze it out, hold it in your mouth for a minimum of 30 seconds, swish it around, follow it with a little bit of water, and we've had many people report that it improves sleep, but the white blood cells, your immune system cells of the body, are the largest vehicular carriers of enzymes in the body. And so taking it at night before you go to bed when your immune system is most active is absolutely the best thing to do. We have 40 clinical studies on just 3 of these products. Unprecedented.
Now, I know we're out of time already, but it's a couple questions people ask. Is it natural? Is it healthy?
Natural.
All natural.
All natural. It's like breathing air. I mean, you're made of air, water, sunshine, and food.
Right. And to get all their questions, you are running meetings, and following this clip will be a time and a place where a meeting is taking place. They can come and learn in detail, and you'll answer questions, right?
Learn a lot more detail. You have to go to the vni.life website. And just look and see. We have a calendar in there. You can see where we're holding meetings. And I look forward to meeting a whole lot of new people and touching a lot of lives. Our mission is to enable people to become beacons of health, hope, and abundance for a lifetime. And I'm passionate about that.
Yes, you are. And in a final word, anybody watching this, what do we want to leave them thinking about? This health is the most important thing they have. Just one final word.
Life of the flesh is in the blood. Get your blood healthy, and it will make your body healthy. We help to make the blood healthy.